This behind me is the Bethlehem steel mill, and it's incredibly old, abandoned, and if it looks familiar, this was actually filmed in Transformers 2. It was probably one of the opening scenes. That's probably why it's most familiar. I didn't know that until Billy actually just told me. We're gonna do a little bit of filming here today. I'm gonna be flying the Mavic 2 Pro, and let's see what we can get. There's a little bit of snow on the ground. The colors are really epic. It's sort of like cool, dreary, but I like the color of this steel mill because it has like a little bit of orange pop to it, so it's gonna make for some interesting footage. So enjoy. Shot, one shot. Right here, come on, Xavier. Right here, a little bit of this, a little show the moves.
Ken is just a little bit upset right now. Just a little bit. What happened?
This is the second train I missed because the first time I was pooping, and then the second time I was vlogging. I'm an idiot.
You beast.
So that's gonna do it for the Bethlehem steel mill. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it and flying. This place was really awesome. Just a really cool scenery. It's really cold. It's like 32 degrees today. I guess that's not really cold, but I mean, it's cold to me, obviously, from being from Florida. Had a super fun time flying this place. Very challenging. There's a lot of like little things that you gotta capture. And it's just a neat piece of history anyways, and it was cool to fly it, cool to see it. Lots of trains around and just a really interesting landscape. So if you ever get a chance to come out here and fly, I would totally suggest doing so. Just, you know, calibrate your drone like crazy. It's the Inspire. He's crashing the vlog. Really? Things like a jet. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Stay original.